Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a must-have tool for your clothes and furniture: electric lint removers. Whether you're sprucing up your wardrobe or tidying up the couch, we've picked the top 5 best electric lint removers that deliver serious performance, safety, and convenience. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Niye KLY009 electric lint remover. The Niye KLY009 electric lint remover is an advanced tool designed to make your clothes and fabrics look fresh and new by efficiently removing lint and small hairballs. Powered by a robust motor running at 8,000 RPM, it provides 132,000 cuts per minute, ensuring a thorough clean without damaging your clothes. The precision 6-leaf steel blade adapts well to different fabric types, efficiently tackling lint and fuzz without any blind spots. One of the standout features of the KLY009 is its versatility. The upgraded motor and suction system work together to remove lint and pills from a wide range of fabrics, including clothes, sweaters, scarves, socks, plush toys, sofas, carpets, cushions, curtains, and bedding. It effectively clears excess lint in seconds without clogging the blades or causing any damage, making it suitable for all fabric types. The lint remover also features an easy-to-read LED digital display that shows the power and charging status, ensuring you're always aware of its operational state. With its Type-C USB charging interface, it offers convenient and universal compatibility with a voltage range of 110V to 240V, allowing it to be used globally with ease. Whether you're looking to refresh your wardrobe or maintain your home furnishings, the Niye KLY009 electric lint remover offers an efficient, durable, and user-friendly solution to keep your fabrics lint-free. Coming in at number 4, the Coldsky CY610 electric lint remover. The Coldsky CY610 electric lint remover is a powerful 2-in-1 fabric shaver and lint brush designed to restore the freshness of your clothes and fabrics. This versatile tool efficiently removes pilling, pet hair, lint, and dust from clothing, offering a thorough clean. Equipped with an upgraded cutting head, the lint remover boasts a 6-leaf blade and a high-powered motor that spins at 9,000 RPM. This allows the device to deliver a significant 100% boost in lint removal efficiency compared to traditional fabric shavers. The Coldsky CY610 also features 3 adjustable speed levels, allowing you to tailor the shaver's performance to your specific needs. A large, clear digital display shows real-time information such as the remaining battery power, selected speed level, and charging status. This feature ensures you're always in control of your device, making the process smooth and hassle-free. The transparent lint container, with a spacious 100 ml capacity, ensures you can easily monitor lint accumulation without the need for frequent emptying. The see-through design allows you to track when it's time to clean the container, making the process more efficient. Safety is a priority with the Coldsky CY610, as it includes a 3D curved mesh cover that provides a 300% increase in fabric protection. The built-in safety lock ensures the device won't operate if the cover isn't properly secured or if the blade is loose, preventing any potential damage to your clothes. Whether you need to rejuvenate your sweater, remove pet hair, or clean up lint, the Coldsky CY610 electric lint remover combines power, efficiency, and safety, making it an excellent choice for maintaining your fabrics. At number 3, we have the Raugee V20 electric lint remover. The Raugee V20 electric lint remover is an efficient tool designed to keep your clothes and fabrics looking fresh and tidy. Equipped with an updated motor and advanced suction system, this fabric defuzzer is capable of removing lint, fuzz, and pills quickly without clogging the blades or causing any damage to your clothes. The device offers an adjustable mesh distance, which can be set in 3 different gears, making it versatile enough to handle various fabric types, ensuring a smooth and safe trim for delicate or thicker materials. This sweater shaver is built to handle a wide array of fabrics. It features a stainless steel honeycomb mesh with 3 different hole sizes and a non-deforming surface. It's upgraded, where resistant sharp blades efficiently clean off lint, fuzz, and pills from a variety of surfaces, including clothing, sweaters, scarves, socks, plush toys, sofas, carpets, cushions, curtains, linens, and bedding. This makes it an all-around tool for maintaining your household textiles and apparel. Another standout feature of the Raugee V20 is its high-tech LED digital display, which provides clear and easy-to-read information on power levels, speed settings, and charging status. It's rechargeable, allowing for continuous use without the need to replace batteries, and can trim up to 30 clothes on a full charge. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking for an efficient, eco-friendly, and user-friendly lint remover for both everyday clothing and home textiles. Next up at number 2 is the Uhomee X5 electric lint remover. The Uhomee X5 electric lint remover is a powerful tool designed to tackle fabric hairballs and fuzz with efficiency and ease. It features a thickened micro-arc knife net that ensures durability and prevents deformation when pressed, offering a safe and reliable way to remove lint without damaging clothing. Equipped with a stainless steel 6-blade whirlwind blade, this lint remover excels in cutting efficiency, effectively clearing hairballs from various fabrics. The blade's rust-resistant properties ensure long-lasting performance, even after repeated exposure to water. One of the standout features of the Uhomee X5 is its 3-level mode adjustment. The soft mode is ideal for delicate fabrics like socks, leggings, and underwear, while the professional mode is suited for knitwear and sweaters. The strong mode is perfect for larger items such as household sofas and duvet covers, providing versatility for a wide range of fabric types. An anti-reflux duct design has been incorporated to avoid fluff reattachment and prevent clothes from getting dirty, ensuring a cleaner and more efficient lint removal process. Charging the Uhomee X5 is simple and convenient with its Type-C double-sided direct insertion charging port. The device boasts an 800 mAh lithium battery, which charges fully in about 3 hours and provides 60 to 80 minutes of continuous usage, making it perfect for extended cleaning sessions. Overall, the Uhomee X5 electric lint remover combines cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design to offer an effective solution for keeping clothes and fabrics lint-free. Finally, at number 1, we have the Coldsky CY608 electric lint remover. The Coldsky CY608 electric lint remover is an innovative solution for keeping your clothes looking fresh and free from lint, fuzz, and pills. With its high-definition LED digital display, this lint remover provides real-time information on the remaining battery power, speed levels, and charging status, making it easy to track its performance. The built-in rechargeable battery charges fully in just 1 hour, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements, and helping you save on additional costs. One of the standout features of the Coldsky CY608 is its enhanced cleaning efficiency. Equipped with an upgraded stainless steel 6-leaf blade and a powerful motor, it offers double the cleaning efficiency compared to traditional 3-leaf blade shavers. The stainless steel mesh cover is designed with 3 different size holes to accommodate various sizes of lint balls, ensuring quick and residue-free cleaning for all types of fabrics. This fabric shaver also offers 3 adjustable speeds, allowing you to select the right setting based on the material you're working with. Whether you're tackling delicate fabrics or heavier ones, the Coldsky CY608 provides versatile performance across a wide range of materials. Safety is a priority with this device. It automatically stops when the net cover is loosened or removed, ensuring that your clothes and hands remain safe while you work. Additionally, the fabric protection is enhanced by a 3D contoured honeycomb net cover, which has been strengthened by 300%, providing reliable protection without leaving scratches or marks on your fabrics. The Coldsky CY608 is designed for comfort and ease of use. Its lightweight and ergonomic handle ensure a comfortable grip, making it ideal for extended use. For added convenience, the device includes an extra spare blade and brush, ensuring your lint remover continues to perform well over time.